In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can make a basic waterfall chart or bridge or walk in Microsoft Excel. So basically, these charts take you from point A from point B and kind of helps create the picture or explain all the different pieces that will get you from point A to point B, which in this case is 2024 sales to your 2025 goals and what will contribute to that, whether it's more or less. Um, so to show you how you can make this, recreate this chart right here, first we're going to go through and we're going to highlight the data. Now, one thing to note with data is you want to make sure that you have it structured in a way where it's horizontal and it has point A right here, which in this case 2024 sales, but it's your kind of your starting base. You have every single piece that explains what will get to you from point A to point B, raising prices, cutting losses, hiring employees, whatnot, but just the steps that will get you from point A to point B. And you want to make sure that for this chart to make sense, that the sum of all of this will equal that, right? In a sense that everything, that point A plus these steps will get you to your point B is a check that you need to make sure that makes sense. So to make your waterfall chart, first highlight the data that you want to make the chart from. Then go to the Insert tab, and then from here, we need to click on Recommended Charts. You're going to click on All Charts, and you're going to want to click on Waterfall here at the bottom, and click on Waterfall. Okay, as you can see, we have Waterfall chart, but it doesn't make any sense. Why is that? Well, that's because you want to set your anchors or your totals. As you can see, the increases are in blue, decreases are in orange, and the totals are in gray, but there's nothing in gray. So we want to set our totals or our anchors, which is just basically our point A's or point B's, right? So we want to double click on our first anchor and set as total. And we want to double click on our second anchor and set as a total. And as you can see, now we have something that makes a bit more sense. And you're going to want to do this for every single anchor. So in a sense that like this could go throughout however many years you'd want it to, but you want to have it set as every single kind of step to be set as a total. And you might want to change the color so things that are increasing have it as green, for example. And things that are decreasing, you might want to have it as red. And you might want to have your totals set in whatever color suits your fancy or suits your needs. And one thing to note too is that if you have a total that's set wrong, so just say you set one of these things as totals, it could look a little bit weird. So you want to just make sure that you have your totals or kind of your anchors set properly. And to set a total, you just double click on what you want to make as a total, and then right click, and then click on either clear total, in this case to take away the total, or set total. And there you have it, a basic bridge. Hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. You have a great day.